Assalamu alaikum playgroup class. Good morning all of you. Dear kids, how do you do? I hope so that all of you are fine. Dear kids, it is our GK lesson and today we are going to learn a new poem. Before this we have read the poem Teddy Bear. I hope that all of you learned that poem and today we are going to learn new Urdu poem that is Chanda Mama. प्यारे बच्चों, आप सबने ये पोइम सुनी होगी। आइए इस पोइम को पढ़ते हैं। चंदा मामा दूर के, बड़े पकाएं बूर के, आप खाएं थाली में, हमको दें प्याली में। प्यारे बच्चों, मेरे साथ इस नज़्म को दोहराएं। चंदा मामा दूर के, बड़े पकाएं बूर के, आप खाएं थाली में, हमको दें प्याली में। फिर से पढ़े। चंदा मामा दूर के, बड़े पकाएं भूर के, आप खाएं थाली में, हमको दें प्याली में। प्यारे बच्चों, आप सब ये नज़्म ज़ुबानी याद करेंगे। You can also send me your voice notes while singing this poem. This is very easy poem, kids. You can learn it quickly. Now let's move towards our GK lesson. Dear kids, in our GK lesson today we are going to revise our question answers of science section. I will ask question from you and you will tell me the answers. The first question is, which animals give us milk? Dear kids, tell me, which animals give us milk? The animals which give us milk are cow, goat and buffalo. And the second question is, which is the biggest animal of the forest? Elephant. What is the biggest animal of the forest? Elephant. How many hands do you have? 2 hands. How many fingers do you have on both hands? 10 fingers. How many fingers do you have on both hands? 10 fingers. And how many toes do your feet have? 10 toes. Class, tell me, what is the color of the sun? Blue. And what is the color of moon? White. What is the color of the sun? Yellow. Now tell me that the food we eat, where does it come from? Where do we get food from? We get food from plants and animals. And where do we get drinking water from? From lakes and rivers. Class, where do we get drinking water from? From lakes and rivers. And now you will tell me that what are pet animals? You can name 3 pet animals. We have read rabbit, cat, dog. Name 3 pet animals. Rabbit, cat, dog. So class, you will learn, you will revise these questions. Question number 1 to 11. This is your science section. So this was today's GK lesson. You will have to learn new poem, new Urdu poem Chanda Mama, and the question answers of science 1 to 11. Goodbye dear playgroup class. Take care.